yeah. You are watching MissPtv, yeah. It's Miss P, yeah. What it be, yeah. You are tuned in, MissPtv, yeah. It's Miss P, yeah. What it be, yeah. It's Miss P, yeah. TV, yeah.
It's time for another episode of Is That Good? You know where I'm at? Roscoes Chicken and Waffles. I could not come to Los Angeles without trying Roscoes. That's you just don't do that. So I figured why not, and a lot of you told me to try this place, so I'm trying it. I ordered a waffle, of course, had to try that, a wing, and no, I ordered a leg and a what? And a wing. Thank you. Have my trusty Nicole over here. What did you order?
Straight chicken, 2 wings, and a leg.
Bam.
With some hot sauce. That's all I need.
Hot sauce. I need a little bit of ranch if they have it. Yes, ranch is my go-to condiment. And we're trying to figure out right now what is light and dark meat. Because I don't know. Yeah, I always go, give it just a leg or a wing or whatever. And sometimes people ask, do you want light or dark meat? And I'm like, I don't know. So we're trying to figure that out. Down below in the comments, if you would like to let us know, even though we have probably figured it out by now, love to put it down below. And also let us know what are your favorite chicken spots in LA. Post it down below because I have to come back. So we're just waiting for the food. It's not as fast as Mr. Fry's man. As soon as we sat down, here's your food. Right. But I want my chicken to perfection. So I'll wait. I'll hold.
1 wing and 1 leg. So there's 2.
Okay, we have too many legs.
Before I eat it, I will eat it. I just want to make sure
legs
I'm not getting charged for all this before I eat it, because I will tear it up.
It looks good, but something's wrong here. We have too many legs at the table for what? And you got what?
So the 2 wings,
So
and
the
then your
wings
wing.
are
The
right.
wings are good. It's just we got way too many legs.
And you got 1 leg.
I just got
And
1 leg.
I got 1 leg. Okay, great.
Yeah, so there's 2.
So there's
That's
2
not
extra
accounted for.
leggies
I don't know
that
if
are at
he's
the
being nice to us.
I don't know. But we'll see. And this was pretty quick.
This was
we
quick.
waited about 5-ish minutes.
Less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, not bad. So update. We got 2 free legs from the cutie on the side. Shout out to little
I don't even know what his name
Pretty
is.
Ricky.
Pretty right.
Ricky Ricardo. Shout out to you. Okay. We're gonna dig in.
Tabasco, or what's your go-to hot sauce? Do you do hot sauce?
I do hot sauce, but I'm like a Texas Peter, but I'll just put that over to the side.
I hear you.
Yeah, you
Get
might
your
have to
ranch.
just move you might have to do like that.
I got it.
Okay.
All right.
You want some of this water?
Sure. Give me
not
a
gonna eat
quarter.
Okay.
There we go. So 2 legs for you. Then you
just
take
keep
mine
that
too.
over there.
Yeah.
And if you want,
Actually, let's switch it. Yeah. There we go. Perfect.
then I'll move that over so I can give you.
Perfect. Did you slather a little butter?
Yeah, I do not want all that.
Take you a
Good grief. Heart attack.
Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. That's a lot of butter. God, please. That's heart attack. I can't take it.
I love it.
Okay.
I don't think I've had their waffle, so
Okay.
this is a good little thingy for me too.
They're a little Waffle House-ish.
It is
In
kind of
appearance.
Like, yeah. It's a waffle.
It's a waffle. Kind of continental.
Has a hint of cinnamon.
I
Like
am
the end.
tasting that.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's funny. I prefer an Eggo.
Not an Eggo.
Yeah,
Or would you prefer Waffle House? Waffle. Yeah, Waffle House waffle. A waffle is a waffle for me. I'm team pancake anyway, honestly.
I prefer if it was a little sweet, a little sweeter, just to offset, the chicken.
Do you put in something
Yeah,
that
I could. Make the
make it
batter
sweet?
a little.
Okay. That makes sense. Actually, the more I eat the waffle, it is actually pretty good. What do you think of the chicken?
Not bad at all.
You know?
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Not overly seasoned. I don't like overly seasoned chicken.
Same.
But I don't like chicken that's flat. You put a little bit right over there.
Dab will do it.
A little hot sauce. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Need more napkins.
Napkins, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know what would be good with chicken? A piece of white bread.
You really good. All you need is some Wonder Bread.
Honey.
That's it?
That's it.
Why do we do that? Why does white bread
Or
and
some
chicken?
fish. You know, a piece
Why
of
does
fish.
it go with that though?
That would be good with this piece
Some
of fish.
fish? Fish and chicken?
Yeah.
And some white bread?
Yeah.
Why do we? Why
Country.
is white bread
Country.
the go-to?
Country. I don't know why.
No explanation. Ask them. Like, yeah. What do
Why?
you think white bread goes with chicken or
Yeah.
fish? Like, why do we do that in the South?
I don't know. But every time I eat some fish, I need some white bread. I can't not have it. Now, if I'm eating shrimp, I'm a little bougie. I don't need that.
We're leaving Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. I'm glad I tried it. All in all, I'm gonna give it this location a 7 out of 10. My chicken was good. I wasn't that impressed with my waffle. I've had better waffles, but the chicken was pretty tasty. The service was great, and for what we paid, it made sense. So yeah, this has been another episode of Is That Good? And I'll see you on the next one. Peace, love, and war. That good stuff. God bless. Bye.